Are you ready to make a fresh and nutritious twist on a classic Middle Eastern salad?
Then look no further. This Quinoa Tabbouleh will rock your world and boost your focus and attention.
It's brain healthy and so flavorful that you'll go back not only for a second helping, but also for a third one.
We start by combining the quinoa with water in a medium saucepan. Cover, bring to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Traditional tabbouleh has bulgur instead of quinoa. I chose quinoa because it's naturally gluten-free, while it's also rich in protein, fiber, minerals and vitamins. I'm very passionate about brain health, so I include brain-boosting ingredients in every recipe I make, and this one is no exception. While the quinoa is cooking, let's chop the fresh parsley, mint, tomatoes and green onion. I prefer curly parsley instead of flat leaf parsley in this salad because curly parsley has a crunchier and more robust texture. Parsley is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, helping reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. It also contains vitamins A, C and K, supporting overall brain health and cognitive function. The next step is to make the dressing by combining olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, sea salt and black pepper in a small mason jar. When the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed, remove from heat and fluff it with a fork, then allow it to cool. We now combine the quinoa with parsley, mint, tomatoes and green onions in a large mixing bowl. Next, we pour the dressing over the salad and toss well to combine. If you prefer more parsley in your tabbouleh, you can add more. You can never go wrong with more parsley here. Cherry tomatoes bring not only color in this salad but also tons of nutrition. They have lycopene, an antioxidant which protects brain cells from damage. These tiny tomatoes also have vitamins A and C that support overall brain health and cognitive function. Their nutrient profile helps maintain mental clarity and concentration. This is one of my favorite salad recipes and it's very easy to meal prep. My kids took it in their school lunch and my husband who works from home had it during his lunch break. It tastes better after a few hours or overnight in the fridge after the flavors had a chance to meld. Did you know that avocados have a very small impact on blood sugar levels due to low glycemic index and rich content in fiber and brain-healthy fats? This helps keep constant energy levels during the day. Hemp seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help improve focus and concentration. They also contain magnesium and protein, which can enhance overall energy levels and mental clarity. This quinoa tabbouleh makes a light and refreshing meal on its own or a fantastic side dish. What are your favorite ways to serve it? Every home cook has their own tabbouleh recipe. This is mine. It's fresh, flavorful and loved by my family. I hope you love it too. Do you know what you need to make next? This delicious broccoli salad. It's rich in protein and perfect for meal prep.